tonight, what we're gonna do, this one's gonna be fairly short, so stick with me. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do some live research off of Amazon. And just so those of you guys who don't know, Merch by Amazon is a platform where you can sell t-shirts, pop sockets, long sleeve shirts, V-neck sweaters, raglan baseball tees. It's expanding. Amazon's trying to build the world's largest t-shirt store. Like I said, tonight we're going to do some research. My wife was going to go shopping for a shirt. She probably won't go on Amazon. She likes to try things on. She likes to go to, I don't know, Target. And if you got one of these stores near you guys, go walk around them and look at the shirts. Think about it. They're only listing the best sellers in the stores. Awesome for the soul. So what do you got here? Awesome for the soul. Keep in mind here, guys, you guys are competing with FBA sellers, and we're always been competing with FBA sellers. Awesome for the soul shirt. That phrase, awesome soul. You can do things like coffee is awesome for the soul. Books are awesome for the soul. Books are awesome for the soul shirt. It doesn't exist. So there's an original idea. Okay, so this is an idea you can take to, you can do this with states, major city landmarks and attractions in those areas. Let's see what else we got. If found, return here. If found, return to, all right, see this here? Do you see those search results? If found, return to Texas is the top result. It's 15. Return to t-shirt. So let's just do this and see what else comes up. So there's 236 total. So there's 50 states. That's 50 ideas where there isn't a lot of competition. Most people are just doing Texas. There's a completely unsaturated niche. They're not selling a lot, but you guys don't necessarily have to be afraid of those. 1 or 2 month sellers still sell. Cool mom tank top. What I need is a Merch by Amazon shirt, which we have here. And here's how we can do some searching, see what else is out there. So if you look here, all these suggested search results, these are all other merchers. So mother, red hair, coffee, summer, earth, husband, vintage. All right, so we do that, and we want tank top. All right, so now we're starting to see some of the merch tank tops. The best-selling tank top is warning, I bought the drink package, so going on a cruise. All of those topics are wide open right now for these products, guys. You're gonna get some sales going. T-shirts are always gonna be big, but there's gonna be opportunities in these other ones. I'm here for a good time, not a long time. I'm here for a good time, not a long time. All right, that doesn't exist either. Oh, nothing there. How about if I remove the I am here for a good time? Yep, there we go. So 249 results total, and there isn't a whole lot there. So there is search volume. You can go tank top and two results, but those are some ideas. You guys get off Amazon, go look on other things, go look on art websites, go look on see what's out there, get inspired, go look for what's trending right now. Thank you guys, and if you haven't yet, hit subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. Thank you guys, have a good night. If you guys enjoyed that, click the link in the description to see the full version.